Hey, it's Sharon50 here, coming at you with update, I'll say 14, and I just got some of my stuff in the mail from what I ordered, so I'm gonna unbox it. Right. This is probably the $20 order. I ordered 3 things, and this is, well, I ordered 3 from different people. This is number 1. Why? Don't know. Yes. Let's see. Alright, these. These. Oh my gosh. I got a lot. Maybe this was a $30 one. And if you recognize this so far, this is part of my Republic gunship rebuilding. Indie box. So I got all this. I got a lot of pieces than I expected to get. I still got 2 more coming in, and since my battery's gonna die, I will have to charge it. So yeah, this unboxing. I'll get all the information I need to get out to you next update. So right now, I'm gonna go through it, mark off things, and yeah, that's about it. I'll talk to you next time in the next update.